Ma'am, 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 I can't hear anything.
Ma'am, I can't also hear anything.
No, I can't hear anything.
Even I
I can't hear.
Ma'am, I can't hear anything.
Ma'am, I can't hear anything.
No, ma'am, it's not clear. We are not hearing anything.
Can you hear me now? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there's a loose contact here.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
I am asking Gopika Shankar, what was the last topic?
And we were talking about photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Did we complete that?
Yes, ma'am. And we were talking about how water and minerals, the chlorophyll and the functions of them and
Okay. Did I
photosynthesis.
tell you how do the plants get proteins and fats? Did I explain that? Proteins and fats. Did I explain that? Yes, ma'am. Okay. That week over about nitrogen, how the nitrogen comes in the rain and the plants absorb with the help of bacteria. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so we are already covered that topic. Shahban, Effins, everyone, you should open on your video because your video is uploading with our class. Class is recording. So in the video, they will see the children also. So sir can see you, those who are of the video. Effins Joseph, if you have any problem with your video, please send the message in chat box. Otherwise, everyone I want to see. Okay? Okay, children. So I am asking to Gauri Priya. Gauri Priya, what do you mean by the word photosynthesis? Photosynthesis. What do you mean by the word photosynthesis?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Gauri?
Ma'am, I can't see you properly.
Okay, seeing okay, no problem. You can see,
No, ma'am,
get
I
my
can hear you
audio.
properly. Audio.
What do you mean by the word photosynthesis? Can you hear me?
No, ma'am.
But I can listen you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Gauri, tell me what you mean by the word photosynthesis. Okay, I move to Sneha Soni. Sneha Soni, what do you mean by the word photosynthesis? Sneha Soni.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Yeah, say the answer.
The food making process in plants with the
Yes.
help of sunlight.
Yeah, the food making process of the plants with making. So it's Adilashmi who gave me the answer. Okay. Okay. Finally, in which form the food will be stored in the plants? After preparing the food, in which form the plants will store the food? Shahan, give me the answer. In which form the plants will store the food after preparing? Yeah? Don't know. Okay. Your audio is very less. I can't hear you. You are saying, but it's not so clear.
It is in leaf.
Okay. Next, Gobiga Aram. Gobiga Aram. What are the form of the food in which plants prepare? Once photosynthesis is over, in which form the plants will store the food?
Can I repeat the question?
I said after photosynthesis, the plants will store the food on the leaves, correct? Leaves are the food factories. I wanted that name, in which name the plants store the food.
Tomato.
Ma'am,
Yes?
can I
Anyone?
say? Ma'am, me.
Yes, yes.
Glucose.
Glucose, okay, that's another form. Glucose we are getting from that. Okay.
Stomata.
Stomata is the carbon dioxide residue.
Ma'am, is it in the form of starch?
Yes, it is in the form of starch. Okay. The food will be converted into carbohydrates and it will be stored in the form of starch. Okay. Clear? And then we also learn the food also the plants also give us proteins and fats. Proteins and fats is other mode of nutrition. For that I explained to you from nitrogen. That means during rain, nitrogen will be fall onto the soil and it mixed with the other substances, and with the help of a bacteria, this nitrogen will be converted and we get it proteins and fats. Okay, this is what we stopped till there. Okay, children. Now we are moving on to the other modes of nutrition. Modes of nutrition. How many modes of nutrition did I teach you? The modes of nutrition.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which are they?
Autotrophs and heterotrophs.
Okay. Okay. What do you mean by autotrophs? Renan, what do you mean by autotrophs?
Autotrophs means food. They make food themselves.
Okay, they make food themselves. Very good. Example? Example?
Plants.
Okay, very good. I move to Gopika Parvati. In that Parvati, among Gopika Parvati, Amrita, Parvati should give me answer. What do you mean by the word heterotrophs? What do you mean by the word heterotrophs?
Depend on others food.
Yes.
Human beings, animals.
Okay. So the organisms which depend on plants like animals and human beings. Okay, children. So this much we covered. Now we are moving on to types of heterotrophs. Heterotrophs we already learned animals and human beings. But some of the plants also heterotrophs. It's a rare case. Some of the plants also heterotrophs. They will climb on other trees and they absorb the nutrients from them. They absorb the nutrients from other trees. In your home, we must have seen a plant. We call it in Malayalam Ithikani. I don't know what's the botanical name. It is on the mango trees.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
this plant is on the mango trees, what will happen? It absorbs all the nutrients. And after some time, mango tree will not give us fruit. Okay, so they take all the nutrients. So here we are going to learn two types of heterotrophs. Okay, two types of heterotrophs. So you can write it on the board first. Write it in your notebook. Yes. Write down there, all of you. Types of heterotrophs. Types of heterotrophs. I want everyone to mute your audio. Once I asked, you can mute your audio. I can see some of your parents or someone is speaking. I muted, but some are unmuting it. I am muting everyone. Some of you are again unmuting. When I ask only you, unmute it. It's a disturbance. Types of heterotrophs. So first type we are going to see parasites. Can you see the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Parasites, P-A-R-A-S-I-T-E-S. Parasites. So, what are the parasites? It's organisms which I am writing on the board, those who I am saying also, which absorb nutrients from other organisms like plants. It can be a decayed animal, it can be a dead animal. You know, bread and all. After some time on the top of bread, you can see some fungus. These all are belong to that. Okay. So organisms which absorb nutrients from other organisms. They are called parasites. Example you can write. In your book, there is one parasite name, that is Cuscuta. Cuscuta, in Hindi, I mean Indian name, we call it Amarbel. This is an example for parasites. Cuscuta or Amarbel. Amarbel is an Indian name of that. You must have seen, say yellow color tubular. I will show you. After writing this, I will show you that. Have you written this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am going to stop the share. I'll show you the picture of Cuscuta here. Okay. Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the Cuscuta.
I cannot see.
Yeah. Can you see? See that tree is such a. Hello? Anyone has a problem of seeing it?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
children, the tree is a green color, but you can see yellowish tubular clay like a hair, some narrow thing. This is Cuscuta. This is in your textbook. Textbook in small picture, but this is in a Photoshop. I have taken this. Okay. So Cuscuta is that tubular yellowish plants. So it climb on this tree and then absorb the nutrients. After some time, the trees will have problem. It will not flower, it will not give proper fruits. Okay. And on which tree this Cuscuta is climbing, that tree is known as host. You know, host and guest. Okay. Host means who is accepting. So suppose Cuscuta is climbing on a mango tree. Mango tree is known as host. Okay. So this is another one which you might have seen it.
I cannot see.
Yes, so you don't have to write what I have written. Same thing I have written on the board. Okay, so what do you mean by host? You can write the plant on which it climbs. The plant on which parasites climbs is called host. That you can write. The plant on which it climbs is called host. Yes, Hiba Fatima, you raised your hand. Any doubt? Hiba Fatima.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Did you raise the hand, Hiba Fatima? Okay. If it is by mistake, it's okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Hiba, talk.
I can't
I'm
hear.
not Hiba.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Is mushroom
Hiba,
heterotroph?
Hiba, tell
Hello?
me. Hello. Tell me, Hiba.
I'm not Hiba, Shreya.
Shreya, tell me Shreya then.
Ma'am, is mushrooms heterotroph?
No, no. Mushroom is a heterotroph, but it's not a parasite. Okay, I'm coming to that. Mushroom is not a parasite, but it is a heterotroph.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll come to that.
Hello, ma'am.
Who is that saying hello? Tell me. Those are saying hello. Okay. Can you see this picture? This is also another type of plant. It's a heterotroph. It has some other name. I forgot. Okay. So this is some another cuscuta type. It takes the nutrients from others. Okay. Okay, children. Shall we move to the next type, heterotrophs? Next type of heterotrophs is known as insectivorous plants. Insectivorous. I'll write that.
Ma'am, picture plant.
Picture plant.
Picture plant. That is insectivorous.
Cobra
plants.
lily.
Yes, yes. They eat the insects. Yeah, yeah. I'll show you some of the picture plants. So many types are there. We have one type. We have seen it here. But when you go to European countries, there's a beautiful picture plants are there. Okay. So second type. Sorry, where is gone? Touch gone. Okay. I'll write the next one. Next, write down second type, insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants means they absorb the nutrients from dead and decayed animals, organisms. Sorry, not dead and decayed. They eat organism which trap the insects. Any insects which is coming close, they trap it. So they have got a bag-like structure. It is on their flower. It is on their lid.
Ma'am.
It's yes.
Ma'am, picture plant has some type of scent that attracts insects.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah.
that's only. That will attract the insects. See, every flower in every plant has some scent. Even rose has a scent. You like it. Jasmine has a beautiful scent. Even it is blooming. Night and if there's jasmine flowers are in your house, you will get the beautiful smell. So,
Ma'am,
yes, yes,
there is a flower in my house, Nishagandhi something.
yes.
When it is
Nishagandhi.
blooming, night,
Yes.
very good smell.
Yeah, very good smell. But by morning it will close.
Close.
Correct? Yeah, Nishagandhi. Nishagandhi. That's why the word is known as Nishagandhi. Nisha means night. Gandhi means fragrance, which gives.
Ma'am,
Yes?
picture plant also has one type of juice that will absorb
Yes, yes.
insects.
That will digest the plants. I mean
Yes.
insect.
So the insect which attracted by the scent will close to them. Then this opened lid will close them and they will suck that insect. I'll show you one picture of the picture plants. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Have you seen this? Such a beautiful, no? This looks very beautiful. So you can see here. Here
Ma'am,
is
I
the.
can't see.
Who cannot see?
Ma'am, Hibba.
Ma'am, it is stuck.
Hiba,
Ma'am, it is stuck.
others are seeing it. They cannot. You cannot see means there is some
Yes,
problem
ma'am,
with your
now it
network.
came.
The network.
This much time there was written sharing. Simply written sharing.
That is only Hiba has a problem. Others are seeing my pictures. Okay, so plants which can trap insects and digest. So if the insect come closer here, pardon? Pardon? Okay, I show you another one. See, this is another type of picture plants, correct? Another type. Okay.
Look,
Yeah, and you can see under the sea there's lots of picture plants are there which can eat the fish also. There are so many plants. If you go to National Geographic channel, you will see so many beautiful things. Look at, there are two type of picture plants here. Look very beautiful, correct? But in the first picture, look, inside there is an insect. And the second picture also, there is an insect already trapped in that. And this one will close it. So these are some examples, various of picture plants. They have a different name, botanical name. Very difficult to remember. Okay, it's not the,
Ma'am,
like rose and all. Okay.
ma'am,
Yes.
in my previous school, the biology teachers showed us a like insectivorous plant. It's a small plant and trapping insect.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
She showed us.
It's a video or picture.
Lila.
Sure.
No, she bring the practical for 10th standard practical. She bought it.
Yeah. Yes. Because if we have a picture plant, you can bring it and then you can see. If you send one mosquito or something, you can see it. Okay. But picture plants everywhere you won't see it. Correct. It's a rare thing.
She bought it from a river.
Okay. I told you, no, picture plants are commonly made. So many picture plants will be there in the seabed and riverside.
Ma'am,
Yes.
picture plant's scientific name is Nepenthes.
That is common name. You know, that's a common name. But each picture plant has a botanical name. Just like I told you, Cuscuta, Amarbel. Like that, each these picture plants have got a botanical name. With yes.
Venus flytrap, Dionea muscipula.
That is few. There are plenty. I took this picture. I took the picture from Photoshop in internet, but I saw so many picture plants over there, and they have got a lot of different names are there. Clear? So that is the heterotrophs. Okay? Yeah. Another type is saprotrophs. Another type of heterotrophs are saprotrophs. Okay? Okay. Yes? Can I stop the sharing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think 5 more minutes, we just stop it. One more class, then we will finish this chapter. Okay. So, next one, we are moving on to saprotrophs. Write down. Saprotrophs. But these are the organisms which will grow on, not on living organism, which will, wait 1 minute. Okay. Organisms which will live on dead and decayed animals. Dead and decayed animals.
what's the meaning of decay?
Decay means just like a wood piece. Once you cut and throw in the mud, after some time what happened to this wood? It started become into powder. Correct? So it decay by itself. You have heard tooth decay or decay getting spoiled. So some of the things like wooden things, some flowers, if they don't get some plants, if they don't get enough nutrients, they will die by themselves. They started, we call it decay. Dead means just like a goat dead, dog, okay, and it started decay. So these are the things saprotrophs. We already know saprotrophs are mushrooms. All mushrooms are saprotrophs. You will see the mushrooms on the decayed wood, decayed things and all that. Okay, so saprotrophs are organisms which will live on dead and decayed animals. They take the nutrients from this. Example, mushrooms. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these are the different modes of nutrition apart from what we learn, autotrophs. So there are two types, heterotrophs, saprotrophs. Usually saprotrophs we don't say heterotrophs because they are taking the nutrients from the decayed animal, not the living organisms. Correct. If we are taking from living organisms, we can say it's a heterotrophs. So that's why this is given a different name, saprotrophs. Okay. So organism which will live on dead and decayed and fungus. Fungus is saprotroph on the bed, bread. You know the bread. After some time, 1 week, if you take the bread, you can see fungus there. Okay. These are known as saprotrophs. Okay, children. So today we learn about types of heterotrophs. Types of heterotrophs. Mainly we learned about two things: parasites
Ma'am,
and
Ma'am.
insectivorous plants.
ma'am.
Yes. Somebody asked.
Mushrooms are edible, right?
Mushrooms, not all mushrooms are edible. Some are poison. Some
That
mushrooms
cap.
are poisonous. What we get from the shop.
Ma'am,
Yes.
that
Let me complete what Adilashmi asked. What we get from the shop for eating is good. But when you go home, now during rainy season, you can see these mushrooms are, so many mushrooms are coming in your field. We don't know which are the edible, which is not edible. Some mushrooms are poisonous. If you eat, you will get skin blisters, all that. Some can kill you also.
Ma'am,
So
that
you should not take all the mushrooms without asking the people, those who know about it. Yeah. Anyone else?
ma'am, that cap is one of mushrooms that will kill us.
That is why I'm telling. That's why I told Adilashmi and everyone. Okay, children, time up. Next teacher is waiting. I'm ending the meeting and I will be sending the homework. Okay, complete in your
Thank you,
classroom.
ma'am.